How to fix YouTube sound not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check the video volume. So open the video that you are trying to play and then go ahead and check the volume and make sure that the volume is not muted off your iPhone, and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, check for your device volume, so press the volume up button and make sure the volume media is not muted from any angle, or just in case you might be connected to some Bluetooth devices, so launch the settings application and then tap on Bluetooth and then go ahead and remove all the Bluetooth devices that you are currently connected with, as sometimes your audio may be playing through your wireless earbuds or Bluetooth speakers or car system audio. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then force quit YouTube. So swipe up on your screen and then force quit YouTube along with all the apps running in the background, and then open YouTube again and your issue should have been fixed. If not, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can go ahead and open some other app that requires audio in it and see if your YouTube is the problem or if your device is the problem. And if YouTube is the problem, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube, and make sure that the YouTube application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the YouTube application on your device. Also launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the search bar, or simply tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage, or go ahead and navigate to YouTube and offload the app and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go back to your home screen and tap on the YouTube application and you will see the option for remove app. Tap on it and then tap on the delete app option and delete the app, and reinstall the app from the App Store again, and then sign in and test the audio playback. If that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then it simply could be the server issue. So you can check for YouTube server, and if the server is down, you can simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube sound not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.